Noise and prosperity constitute the splendid world. Numerous simple collections burst out with brilliant light. A kissing pipe plays the melody of life. A conductor enhances the huge energy wheel. 3F Electronics makes some of the magnificent chapters with the thread as its heart. We believe that the simpler it is, the more sincere you need to be. Only by sticking to the craftsmanship can we reach the simplicity and perfection. 3F Electronics seeks innovation in inheritance, breakthrough itself in the process, and pursue the utmost perfection and minimalism with the utmost craftsman's spirit. The establishment of 3F Electronics Senate is an important symbol of the company's democratization reform. In June of 2010, MRB Standing Committee was officially renamed as Senate, with 8 major parties to make all-around planning and all-round consideration. This opens up the innovative management model that Senate is responsible for resolving the company's business activities. Segmentation for more than 20 years, 3F Electronics independently develops in 4 aspects of high temperature, high pressure, ultra-thickness, and environmental protection. Careful observation of small things is the secret of success in all aspects of career and science. In the age of development, continuous innovation is the only way out. Diversified products, top team, high-quality service, and reliable quality assurance. Authoritative certification of UL, CSA, BDE, JET, 3C, CQC, and other domestic and foreign security institutions. Nearly 100 patents. XLPE wire is the first patent in China. 3F Electronics 3F brand products are widely used in aerospace, vehicle manufacturing, household appliances, and many other fields, making outstanding contributions. 3F Electronics Electron Irradiation Accelerator, Advanced Copper Conductor Production Equipment, PTFE Wire Continuous Length Production Line, Augmented Floor Plastic Wire Production Line, Customized Cross-Linked PE Wire Production Line, High-Speed Automotive Wire Production Equipment, Automated Silica Gel Wire Production Line. Professional bushing production equipment will be the traditional meaning of the wire bushing. Continuous innovation and pursuit of excellence. 3F Electronics 3F brand have been working hard for many years for customers' recognition all the time. One-stop purchase, products with personalized customization, and professional customer service team provide customers with excellent solutions. Quality first, delivery guarantee, active service, customer first, step-by-step, and zero defect management are 3F Electronics' aims and traditions. The origin intention of letting every Chinese use 1 meter of 3F Electronics wire has never changed for over 20 years. Every employee faces life with positive attitude. Every smiling face indicates their persistence in work. The future is coming. We will continue to provide customers with satisfactory electronic solutions. Strive to be a world-renowned supplier of electronic components.